The 21V Impact Drill Driver is a powerful and versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Built for outstanding performance, this drill comes equipped with a high-capacity Li-ion battery and a fast 60-minute charger, providing exceptional battery life and ensuring you can tackle demanding tasks without interruption. Whether you're drilling holes or driving screws, this tool delivers the reliable power you need for continuous work. Featuring a 3/8 10mm keyless chuck with automatic spindle lock, switching between drill bits is quick and effortless, making it ideal for multitasking on the job. The 25+1 Ppsition Clutch, coupled with the maximum torque of 45 Nm, ensures precision and adaptability, allowing you to work confidently on materials like wood, metal, drywall, plastic and slate. This tool is built to handle a wide range of applications, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. The drill's variable speed settings, 0-400/0-1400 RPM, provide precise control for both low and high-speed tasks. This versatility ensures smooth operation and prevents damage to screw heads, threads, and workpieces. Additionally, the forward/reverse switch makes it easy to withdraw screws or replace and remove drill bits, streamlining your workflow for maximum efficiency. Ergonomics and ease of use are key features of the 21V Impact Drill Driver. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable, ensuring comfort during extended use. The compact design allows for one-handed operation, while the non-slip rubber handle enhances grip and control. A built-in safety buckle prevents accidental activation, adding an extra layer of security during operation. For added convenience, the drill includes an integrated LED light, illuminating dark or tight spaces to ensure accuracy and safety in challenging environments. This thoughtful feature makes it an indispensable tool for tasks in low-light conditions or confined areas. The 21V Impact Drill Driver is more than just a tool. It's a reliable partner for all your drilling and driving needs. Whether you're a professional working on a demanding project or a DIY enthusiast tackling home improvements, this drill is engineered to deliver power, precision, and performance every time.